Alright, just making a little video of my Axial SCX10 DeadBolt RC rock crawler or rock racer, whatever way you want to put it. I prefer both. But anyway, making a short video here of it. Pretty cool truck though. Axial makes some of the greatest crawlers in my opinion, for sure. Alright, let's turn on this camera. Also, we're going to record on the controller. I have an action camera on it. I also have an action camera on the truck as well. Make sure it's recording. It is. Alright, here we go. I'm sure I got it on video here, or on the screen. I mean, it's not a great rock crawler course, it's just little starter rocks I've gotten. I'm going to build a course for out here though. Ooh, don't let that tip over, not with that camera on. Trying to get it to climb up. Look at it. Oh, just took a little bit of gas to get over that other rock. Ooh. Oh. Wasn't too bad. Let's try this other side now. Oh, it's about to tilt. It's about to fall. Back up. Back it up. Try it the other way. Go to the left a little bit. No, it's stuck now. Oh, look at that. That is tilting really good. Tilting to the right like it's going to fall. Almost. No. I guess you could say I'm a beginner to rock crawling. I mean, I've had a few rock crawlers years ago, but never really got into it strongly. Oh, look how it's on top of that. Oh, it got over it. That was cool. I don't know how much video I've recorded so far. See, I got one bar on the battery on this action camera on the Axial controller. See how many bars I got on this one over here. I think it's only one bar as well. Yeah, one bar as well on that one. Okay. Well, we can still record a little bit. Oh, eventually I'll tip it over. Oh, it's stuck good now though. Oh, is it gonna get out of it? No. No. Oh, yeah, it did. Powered out. This has a 27 turn motor in it. So really, it's probably classified as a rock racer, but you can turn it into a crawler. Just do a few things to it. One thing is I need to put a crawler motor in here for sure. Oh, it's about to tip. Nope. Go this way again. Right, exactly. And go up. Oh, it's going to tip. No, it's not. Oh. I think it's going to be it for the video. So like I said, I only got one battery bar on both action cameras. It's still recording though, as you can see, the light's blinking on that action camera. That is an 8-man A66 1080p Full HD cheap action camera. I got it for like $35 on Amazon. It's actually a pretty good camera. It does pretty good, believe it or not. And then the one on the Axial controller is a Activon SCX 1080p at 30 frames also, but it is more expensive. It is $49 on Amazon right now at the time of this video. You can't get the A66 anymore. Well, let me take that back. I think I did find it a few weeks ago, if I remember correctly, and it was $39.99. I got it for $34.97. The one on the DeadBolt right there on the hood on the mount. And they're actually pretty good. They're not bad. Definitely not a GoPro, but they work pretty good. I mean, good quality. The camera on the DeadBolt there does 12 megapixel photos, and the one on the Axial controller only does 6 megapixel, I believe. But both of them's picture quality is good. So, oh, go slow, don't tip it. Sorry if my camera angle is not very good, but it's my first time trying to use an action camera on a RC controller. One more time. I'm gonna go the other way though. Bring it around. if I can get it to get up there. Come on. Oh, it's on the middle, big rock again in the middle. Bring it down, see if I can go the other way. Without tipping it though. Oh, oh, oh. No, back up. Try to go to the right side of the rocks. Oh, there it is. Alright, we'll call that good for the video. Again, this is the Axial SCX10 DeadBolt rock eraser, I believe is what it truly is categorized at. But like I said, you can turn it into a crawler. You just need to do a few things to it. It's a great truck. I'm going to get a crawler motor for it, and I'll just from there see what else I need to get to make it more crawler worthy. I mean, it does okay now, but I'm still going to tweak it a little bit to get it ready for crawling. Thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it. More to come. And everyone have a great rest of your day and year.